probably is. Yeah, that's a really good movie. And, yeah, nothing. Oh, dear Lord, because we stayed up for lunch. Well, then we went and got wine, so I said, he came over for wine. He came over and didn't do nothing, so I said, well, why don't you go get some wine? So he goes, okay. Oh, dear God. I got you one. The carrots was. Hey, baby. Oh, good girl. Yeah. Hello, sweetie. Yeah, Wednesday. Yeah, well, we no. Yeah. Nothing. Well, we're pretty tired. That's pretty tired. We stayed up.
Mom, she's running away. I want to see her run.
No, the dogs will get her.
Lock them up.
Put the little ones to bed.
I'm not putting them up.
Here. Angel Holly, wait. Angel Holly, bed. Come on. Your mom's room. Go.
Run away.
So,
Kelly, run away.
it was like a,
Puffy.
I made pizza. He said,
Run away.
he goes, I've already eaten. I said, okay.
Go.
So then,
She runs funny.